Bonafide Hustler here, E-Money here, and today, E-Money, your hair.
What about it?
Look at this.
I have hair.
It's getting kind of Elvis looking. Look at to the camera. What is this thing? It's like an Elvis. What's going on? Oh no! We're gonna go garage selling today. I'm bothered by E-Money's hair. We gotta go. What's going on, guys and gals? Welcome to the Bonafide Hustler channel. Don't forget to get free guides so you can learn how to sell some used items for money. We're gonna go to the garage sales today, and it's probably some thrift stores, but there are some garage sales today. So we're gonna go hunting around for used items to resell for cash. I hope you guys like videos like this. If you do, right now, hit the like button. We're gonna get this video to 300 likes on day one. And yeah, we have to get a question real quick. What's your hustler spaceship of choice when you go out on a Saturday morning? Put it down below. I wanna see what you're driving and what you're taking in garage sales. We're in a very small car today, and it's that time of the year now where it's getting kind of like iffy. Should we take the big SUV or should we take the nice, you know, non-gas guzzling small car out? And we're still in the small car, but anything could change. And there's at least 6 garage sales today, maybe 8. So at any given point, we could blow this entire car up. So we'll see what happens, and we're gonna go to our first garage sale right now, so I'm gonna get down the road. Let's see. Okay, so the first garage sale is not really a garage sale, but it's like outside of an apartment sale, and it's sitting right here, boxes everywhere. I thought it was gonna be much better than this, but we're gonna go check it out real quick and see if we can find anything good here. I don't think we will. But guys, this is what you have to do. You just never know, and that's what the best part about garage sales is, you never know. And when it pops and it hits real hard, you feel like you won everything. So, I don't know about this one. E-Money, decode it, decode it. What do you think?
It looks like he's moving.
Well, yeah, there's moving boxes, but like, what do you think? You think there's good stuff there?
You gotta dig. Could be.
What does your hair think?
My hair thinks, does this guy have like a 31, 32 size waist, medium size like upper torso with, and likes Vans, like slip-on Vans, and this is gonna be a really good sale.
Alright, so from this garage sale, I just got this entire Ninja like blender thing, which is good for protein smoothies and people that work out, like fitness people on the go. These things are like absolute gems. So new, you can get them for like 80 bucks, but used, this was 10 bucks. I'm just gonna clean it real good, and it came with a bunch of attachments. So
sweet. That's a cool teeth thingy.
Yeah, pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
I can just hear my gains coming.
Dude, you're like, what is a Fruit Ninja reseller guy?
I'm telling you, look at this thing. Look how sick this thing is. Wow. Next garage sale is right here, and it looks kind of interesting. They got speakers and all kinds of crazy stuff. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I was thinking about getting a couple things, but then the prices started getting kind of high. I was like, that's weird. And then I saw this kid carrier over there, and it had a Goodwill price tag with a date on the price tag that was only like 2 weeks ago. So this dude's like reselling Goodwill stuff basically, which I'm like, I'm not all about it. So we're gonna go to another garage sale and check it out. And he was smoking cigarettes, and it got on me. Ew! E-Money got a drill for $3, I think. How much, E-Money?
$2.
Oh, $2, even better. All right, good for you, man. Next garage sale is by this porta potty. It's actually over there, you can kind of see it.
Hombres.
We're going pretty fast through garage sales today. We didn't find anything at that last one, but we're gonna, I don't know. This one's like in the midst of like all this construction stuff. Look at this crap. So I'll park on the side. Maybe we'll find something good here. Wish us luck. All right, from this garage sale right here, actually no, that's not a garage sale. From that garage sale, got this $2 mailbox looking thing. Do you think I can sell this in the booth for around 30 to 50 bucks? Do you guys think I could? What do you think? Oh. Okay. So yeah, I got this $2 mailbox looking thing. I'm trying to put it in my booth for around 30 to 50 bucks. And we just got it from that garage sale, so I guess I can. I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? Comment down below. It's not quite antique or retro or anything. It's just cool. See what happens. Next garage sale is sitting right here. I've actually been to this one before, and I did find some cool stuff the last time. So we'll see if we can find some things. Yeah, it's one of the ladies.
Ladies?
The ladies.
Just say Aquaman is back. I told you.
I know. They were making Aquaman jokes last time. But yeah, we'll see if we can find anything here. Yeah, there was nothing there.
Dude, zoom into it.
No, there was a cat in the... Ooh, I can see it. You want to see the cat? Check it out. Can you see the cat yet, guys? Can you see the cat? Can you see the cat yet? No? Keep looking. Can you see the cat? Look hard. There's a cat there. Yeah, it's sitting in the clothes, laying down. I'm not even kidding. It's the cheddar gods telling us that, I don't even know what it means, honestly. But that's not good. That's not a good sign when there's a cat in the closed sections. Anyway, we're gonna go find another garage sale and we'll see what we can get done. Journey has brought us to Epoch Coffee. Sitting in there is hopefully the thing that'll wake us up. There are 2 garage sales around here, one down that way and then one across the highway. And then from there we might see 2 Goodwills and be done with the day. So just remaining optimistic. Oh man, I just need to wake up. You guys ever have mornings like this where you're just like, where you're just not like with it, you know? I'm just not with it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, E-Monies.
I'm so tired.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Oh man. Are you all shook up? Are you all shook up, E-Money?
You're toast.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch? All right, let's go.
You open the door with one finger.
Oh, it is a hard door. Got a Doppio and a Cortado coming. Ooh, look at that Doppio. That looks good. Open up, spaceship. Let's go. So we got this thing.
Just smell this one. Smell that.
It smells good. Well, mine smells better. All right, so here we go. Man, this is good. You have to slurp it. See, Jordan, our friend, taught us with Doppios you're supposed to slurp it. It sounds kind of weird, but then it sprays all up into your like olfactory nerves and stuff, weird things. E-Money.
Yes.
If olfactory is smell, right?
Yeah.
What is taste? What's the scientific term for taste? And then what is hearing? Cochlear?
No, that would be Odo.
Odo's ear?
Yeah, Odo.
Okay, I don't know what that means. What about tasting? Like olfactory is
probably
nose.
I was thinking like buccal.
What do you? We're not that smart. So help us down below. This is a good Doppio.
Oh. Taste Factory. Yeah, Taste Factory.
It's a 3-out Doppio in my book. I like it. I'm getting charged up. There's a garage sale close.
This is really, really good.
We got a close garage sale. We're gonna go check it out. It's coming up. The garage sale is back here. There's actually a moving sales sign right there. I'm trying to get the camera in this garage sale.
Stuff upstairs as well.
Okay. I just came out of that garage sale. Got this really cool Kodak camera for around 10 bucks, and then these cycling shoes, which are Vittoria, super vintage. These were $2, and then these wind boots right there. E-Money, hold the wind boots real quick. Yeah, those. Hold them up. So these are vintage cycling wind boots by Vittoria, really nice colors and stuff like that. So these, you know, maybe I'll get 30 to 50 on those on eBay. These could be, I don't know. This is a TBD. Could be 30 to 50 as well. This in my booth will sell for around 30, just as a pure decoration. Like, yeah, vintage cycling gear and stuff like that. Definitely go to eBay with that. But I'm pretty happy that I stopped here. Pretty cool. We're at Savers. Thrift store mode for the rest of the day. So this is gonna be one of 3 thrift stores we go to. We actually did end up seeing another garage sale, but it sucked and we didn't want to put it on camera. And yeah, so.
No, we're gonna get some good stuff here.
Should be. Hey, where do I live? Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure we're gonna have a reseller meetup in summertime, a little green room meetup. So I gotta plan all that out, but that's coming around soon.
Cool.
I'll be given the green light. I was given the green light by the admin team to start talking about it. So
awesome.
I'll talk about it now. All right, we're looking. I'm looking. All right, shoe section. We're looking. Never know. Oh, those are lifters. Lifter CrossFit, how much? Lifter CrossFits? Take a look at those, yeah. CrossFit lifters, let me show you people. So this is definitely shoes to bucks right here, or this. So you have this like plastic base that does not give at all. And these are used for deadlifts, you know, clean press, squats, all that kind of stuff. These are in pretty good condition. Decent, just, you know, touch them up a little bit. It's probably a $50 to a $70 bill right there. I got this Zoom MRS 802B hard drive / extra looking thing, recording studio, multi-track. Recording studio, probably, I know it has an internal hard drive error, which can be fixed. I'm not gonna fix it, but it's about, this is 10 bucks. In broken state, it should sell for 100 already. the fact that it powers up has internal hard drive error, maybe 120 or so on eBay. And it should sell within, I would think, about 2.5 weeks, something like that. What are those socks, dude?
Dude, they're Nikola Tesla freaking. Like,
oh, cool.
long socks.
Nikola Tesla socks. All right. We're at the boutique. We're gonna find some good stuff here today. E-Money, help me film this thing. Come on, E-Monies. Do your job. Pretty cool color, right? Doc Martens slip-ons. Kind of interesting. Oh, this is actually a pretty good boot right here. Bottom looks good. 30 bucks though. Dang. This is actually a pretty good boot. This could be a buy. Yeah, this could be. This is a Quest 4D GTX right here. I know this shoe very well. Sold many of these. Yeah, so Quest 4D GTX, because it is a Gore-Tex. You can see it right there. I'm pretty sure this is the Quest, yeah. It's a good size 11. This is probably a buy. We're putting prospective things in this cart. So just look around, see if we can find anything here. There's all kinds of stuff in this Goodwill. You just gotta be meticulous, you know? So I'm gonna pick up these Quest 4D GTXs right here. It's gonna be a 30 out the door, aiming for the 100 mark, 130 mark, something like that. Pretty awesome. E-Money actually found some X8 Pro 3D Gore-Texes, 30 bucks, and these are gonna probably sell for around 80. Pretty nice. Not the worst day, not the best day, but it's about to be a better day. We're gonna go get some tacos at Taco Deli. We're going back, back to Deli. Let's do it. Let's go. All right, we're here at the Taco Deli, and gonna get some tacos. Should be good. It's a little cold, so we gotta sit inside. I just made the order. Here we go. Time to get some salsas right there. Yo, I'm gonna drone shot this salsa. What do you guys think? All right, they're real busy here. You can see it. Real busy here at the Taco Deli. We're about to get our tacos in a second. Me. There's my tacos. Thank you. E-Money's tacos. Whitney's tacos. All right. Thank you. We're taking it in. We'll see you right after. Very grateful. Good tacos. Those tacos are great. E-Money's gonna drop off some of the USPS thing, and then that's when we're gonna have to part ways, guys. I'm sorry. E-Money's. Yeah. What'd you sell?
Huh?
What'd you sell?
A DeMarini bat.
Oh, a bat. Cool. Voodoo. How much?
50.
How much did you buy for?
Like $5.
Yeah, buddy, that's the bucks. There it is. I see it. So that's pretty much the video, guys. I really thank you guys for being down here, watching it, you know, after I edit it and like put everything together. I do appreciate that a lot. Make sure you hit the like button, very important. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.